What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are talking about ESG investing. If you haven't heard of the term already, you'll be sure to hear it more going forward. So let's get straight into it. If you aren't already, make sure you're following me on Instagram at Afzal_Hussein. And if you spend more than a minute watching this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. ESG simply stands for environmental, social and governance investing, otherwise known as socially responsible investing or social investment, green investing, ethical investing, sustainable investing, socially conscious investing, so on and so forth. ESG investing is any investment strategy that focuses on achieving financial returns, but at the same time as doing social good or considering the environment and a company's governance structure as well. For many, the term ESG brings to mind environmental issues like climate change and resource scarcity. These form an element of ESG and an important one, but the term means so much more. Environmental risks created by business activities can have an actual or potential negative impact on land, air, water, ecosystems and human health. Company environmental activities considered as ESG factors include managing resources and preventing pollution, reducing emissions and climate impact, and executing environmental reporting or disclosure. Social risk refers to the impact that companies can have on society. They're addressed by company social activities such as promoting health and safety, encouraging labor management relations, protecting human rights, and focusing on product integrity. Governance risks concern the way companies are run. It addresses areas such as corporate brand independence and diversity, corporate risk management and excessive executive compensation, company governance activities such as increasing diversity and accountability of the board, protecting shareholders and their rights, and reporting and disclosing information. Clients of an investment bank or any financial institution that invests on behalf of their clients might want to avoid companies that operate in industries such as drugs, tobacco, weapons, etc. Using ESG factors or an ESG framework, investors can filter and tailor the investment strategies according to the preferences of their clients. Quick interruption, these videos take a lot of time and effort for me to make, and so as much as I appreciate you watching it, if you aren't already, I would really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button so I know that there's demand for the content on this channel, and it would mean a lot to me and it will help the channel a lot. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. The key factor behind the surge in ESG investing is likely the investor's demand for clarity when it comes to a company's stance on social issues, as well as the significant financial consequences that a company can face if it fails to adapt to the changing landscape of consumer behavior. So, the link between ESG investing and financial performance. Does it work? Is it important? Is it proven? Research tells us that high sustainability or high scoring ESG firms tend to have a higher degree of long-term planning. High sustainability companies tend to perform better, and so in theory, those who invest in them can expect to receive higher financial returns as a result of investing in them. Having said this, of course, there are plenty of arguments for and against ESG investing. A simple Google search will bring up lots of data, statistics, articles and reports arguing for and against the case of ESG investing, and therefore it's important to carry out your own research and dig deeper and learn more about the topic in order to make a more informed decision and develop an informed view of ESG investing and the landscape in general. Either way, whether you're interested in a career in finance or not, in investing or not, I think it's important to be aware of the term ESG or ESG investing, because it's definitely on the rise and you're going to hear a lot more about it regardless of which type of career you embark on. Main reason for this is companies are becoming more aware of it, and as human beings we're becoming more socially conscious, and when there's the option to invest in a more ethically focused way, we tend to opt for that, especially if we see the results of higher returns on our investments. Hopefully this video has inspired you to go and explore the world of ESG investing. It's worth going on Google and just searching ESG investing and reading some of the news or some of the generic articles that come up if you're interested in finding out a bit more. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, leave a comment, share it, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you aren't already, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Afzal_Hussein, and I will see you in the next video.